The Great Mid-Atlantic Breadbasket by Grace and Aleena. Is your wallet short on cash? Do you need more money? Well, you have certainly come to the right place. All you need is a big farming plantation and some indentured servants, and you will instantly become richer.
Climate of the Mid-Atlantic. In the Mid-Atlantic, we have a moderate climate, so you don't have to worry about being too hot or too cold.
The breadbasket. The Mid-Atlantic region is known for the breadbasket. It is called the breadbasket because we are plentiful of corn, rice, and wheat.
The Midwest geography. East of the Appalachian Mountains, the Mid-Atlantic has only the best harbors where you can go fishing and travel by ship in the wide rivers there.
Religion. It's very diverse. Any religion will be accepted into this region.
Social life in the Mid-Atlantic region. Once a month, the market town would be open, and you could buy whatever you want. You could be a farmer or have a rich plantation with slaves.
Food in the Mid-Atlantic. The Mid-Atlantic folks would eat livestock, bread, and fish, for that was all available. The other colonies traded rice, corn, and potatoes with them. Thanks for watching. I hope that this convinced you to come to the Mid-Atlantic region. We'll see you there.